back, y'all. Finally got a new fridge. So if you guys are following along, that was a big hassle. That's the third fridge had to get delivered to my house. That finally got one that wasn't damaged, and there's actually a little bit of story to that. But I'm gonna grab my junk. Let's head out to the garage. So the fridge was a debacle, that's for sure. We ordered one from one company twice, and both times they tried to bring a fridge that was damaged. I talked about it a little bit in a video, and then so after the second time, where I believe they tried to bring us the same fridge, I told them to kick rocks, and we ended up ordering it from a different company that was local, and then that company shows up to bring the fridge. And I talked to the guys a little bit, and they were like, oh yeah, that other company, they buy all our damaged products and resell them. So yeah, kind of a jerked up thing, but it's been, I don't know, probably close to 2 months now. Finally got a working refrigerator. The other one was just kind of working half on, half off, so there isn't much stuff in it right now. But other than that, guys, the reason I haven't uploaded anything is that I simply haven't gone out camping. It's honestly probably been the longest that I have not been camping in like 2 years, 2 to 3 years at this point. And it's been great. It's been a good recharge, but we're going to get back into it very, very shortly. However, I did do that live stream in there, and I think I still have the note in there. One of you guys sent me this kit that installs on the tailgate of the truck, and it's like a gas shock. So your tailgate won't just slam down. Let's see who it was here. Hey CrazyQuady, got you a tailgate assist. We thought you might be able to use it. Love the videos. Keep up the good work, Rob and Kim. So thanks, Rob and Kim. I have no idea how this goes on. It did not come with any instructions, so I'm probably going to have to watch a YouTube video and figure it out. There's a bolt in here that's pretty funny looking, but I assume this is very, very self-explanatory. This is like a captive nut that needs to go in somewhere, a captive, nut. You'll stick that in somewhere, and somehow with this, that'll expand and create a new spot where you can bolt something to. So I don't know where that goes, but we're gonna figure this out. Like I said, I probably need to watch myself a tube video to figure it out. I'm gonna hang out and drink this coffee and smoke myself a dirty old stogie. It's Breakfast of Champions. Figure out how to do this before I get headed out to do any camping. And over the last couple of weeks that I haven't uploaded, I have wrote down a ton of awesome ideas. So I'm really, really excited for what we've got coming up. Got a lot of cool stuff on the list at this point, but we're gonna get it figured out, and we're gonna get this knocked out. And I probably need to do another oil change and tire rotation on the truck. It's been probably too long for a tire rotation, but wish this thing had, maybe it does have a microphone sensor in there. It'd be nice to not have to type this in. Oh, it looks like I've already watched a video on this. Guess I'll just watch the same one.
What's up, everybody? Adam here with E-Trailer today.
But anyways, y'all, I'll see you guys once I get this figured out. Have my breakfast here, and we'll get headed out to the truck and get working on it. Figured it out. Where I was told how to do it, I guess you should say. All right, so all that stuff is gonna install over here somewhere, and you could probably hear it when I open the tailgate, how it slammed down, and that is what that's supposed to get rid of. So we're gonna knock this out quick. It looks to be a pretty simple install. All right, got our stuff. I believe that's a 13. And I don't know what I need, but that other part goes right in there. Might need a ratchet, but we'll see. All right, so there's this bolt here, and I guess it's gonna move you guys once I pick this up a little bit, but pop this off. The other one should still hold the tailgate up. There we go. And let's see if we can get this off of there. Should just grabbed the gun. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab a gun. There we go. And there will go this piece. Installs like that. I don't know what brand this is, guys, like I said, so if you just search tailgate assist, I think, pretty sure this is Loctite. We should probably stick a dab on there. Do it appropriately. Could have used the blue, I guess, that I have in the garage, but there we go. Now we need to move on to this piece. All right, we've got that out of the way. So on this one, this is what they give you. And what you need to do is, this will all unscrew out of here. This is simply for installation. This is discarded after we're done. This is gonna slide in here, and these are gonna expand out, and it's created a little like nut zert, I believe is what this is called. Kind of stick that back through there. Gets kind of tight. We'll shove it through. Then we need to hold on to it with our Allen key here, and we're going to take this, and there's a nut on here. We need to turn this like 10 times or something once it starts getting tight. All right, that's pretty tight, I think. Pull this off. And now you have a threaded hole right here. Should work well. So what we need to do here is take this other piece. It's just gonna stick right there. And then we're gonna screw this in. But let's put a little bit of Loctite on this one also. Should be good enough. And is it the same thing? It's not the same size. Whack. All right, I think that's pretty tight. All that's left to do is install our gas strut. All right, so we'll go ahead and put the strut on first. Think this way maybe. And these are just like push fittings. They should just push on there. Maybe. There we go. And is that long enough? That might not be long enough for my tailgate, guys. don't think it comes out any further. Maybe it is long enough, and I'm just not pulling hard enough. Oh, it's long enough. Okay. There we go. That took a little bit of effort. Let's clean this up and see how it does. Oh, I guess I can't forget about hooking the strap back up, but that's just like so. All right, go the right way. It closes. Look at that. That's really nice. It doesn't take any effort to get it shut. This is one of those things that I probably should have done a long time ago. That is really nice. Well, I'm stoked on that. I'm going to get this locked back up, get back in the garage because it's cold out here. Well, all right, y'all. Got the little install knocked out. That was a pretty simple thing. I thought for sure that gas strut was too short, but it took some effort, and I got it pulled up so it extended long enough and it worked perfectly. So I was wrong at that point, but it's probably something I should have done a long time ago. I watched a video on it at some point. I guess I just didn't buy it. But really simple and easy to do. So if you have an older truck that doesn't have something like that, I'd recommend checking it out. And you could just Google search tailgate assist in whatever kind of truck you have, and something like that will pop up. But yeah, guys, we've got a lot of cool stuff coming up. I'm not exactly sure when the next video will get put out because I'm headed out on a little trip with my wife, and I'm not exactly sure if I'm going to film that one or not, so we shall see. It's just kind of been a lull here with the weather and the complete lack of snowstorms right here, but we're going to get out and do some cool stuff, and I need to get that boat ready for spring because we are definitely going to use the boat that I did not use at all last year because I was a complete failure on that, but we're going to get that back out. Hopefully we'll get another ice fishing trip in this year. I don't know if that's going to happen because we have like 50-degree temperatures coming up. So we'll see what happens to the ice around here. I think I've only gotten out, twice this year. Complete fail at ice fishing again also. But yeah, guys, I appreciate the gifts. That is something that is going to help greatly on the truck. Thank you, Rob and Kim, for that. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one out here, and I need to get ready for my next adventure. So anyways, stay tuned, guys. As always, stay tuned for the next adventure. I'll see you in a bit. Gotta finish my breakfast.